keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, I am Kriti Chauhan from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. This video is for Standard 6. In our last video, we learned about ribbon and few tabs on ribbon like Home tab, File tab and Insert tab. In this video, we are going to cover topic on Design tab and Transition tab. The image of Design tab is visible on the screen. Design tab is used to apply designs to the PowerPoint presentation. It is possible to make changes to the slide size, slide background and other design attributes. You can see in the image there are groups and buttons on the Design tab. In the Design tab, we have options to change the appearance of the slide. In the Design tab, there are three groups. First, Theme group, second, Variants group, and third, Customize group. Themes group. Themes group give us access to the themes that change the design of the slide as per the presenter choice or need. Even we can add our own design slide theme for future need. Second, variant group. In variant group, there are buttons like variant gallery. In the variant gallery, there are options like colors, fonts, effects, and background styles. Once the theme is selected or chosen for the presentation, this area is used to select different colors, fonts, effects for the theme. It is even possible to change the background style. The color option is used to change the colors of the theme for the selected slide. Font option. When font option is selected, a list of available theme font will be displayed. Effect option. In this the set of lines and filled effects are available that can be applied to a theme in a presentation. Background style option. Background style option is used when the background of the slide needs to be changed. Now the third group, customize group. There are two buttons, slide size and format background. The slide size is used to change the standard size to the widescreen size. Even with the help of customized slide size option, we can make additional changes to the slide such as portrait or landscape. Second, format background option. This option is when clicked, the format background task pane appears. This task pane is used to add background pictures to the slide or to apply other formatting features to design the presentation. Transitions tab. The image of Transition tab is viewed on the screen. The Transition tab can be used to set the slide transitions for the PowerPoint presentation. Transitions determine how the slide in the presentation will move from one slide to another. The transition can be applied to a current slide or can be applied to all the slides in the presentation. There are three groups in the transition tab: preview group, transitions to this slide group, timing group. Preview option is used to display an animation or a slide transition after it has been applied to a slide. Transition to this slide group basically has two options. First, transition gallery, and second, effect options. Transition gallery is used to select transition effect to a slide or all the slides in the presentation. Effect option is used while changing the variation of the selected transition. Variations are used to change the direction or the the other options for the transition. Timing group has six options: sound, duration, apply to all, advanced slide, on mouse click, and after option. Sound option is used to add a sound to the transition effect. In duration option, we need to specify how long the transition should be played. Apply to all option is used to apply transition to all the slides in the presentation. In advanced slide option determines how slide is going to transit from one slide to the next. In this there are two options. First, on mouse click option. On mouse click option which keeps the slide from moving to the next slide until the mouse is clicked. After option. Selecting this option to move to new slide after a specified number of seconds. In this session, we learn about the options that helps to give design to the slides and to apply transitions while transiting from one slide to the next. Thank you students for watching this video. Take care and be safe.